My name is Melissa Pearson. I work for Deloitte, which is a large professional services firm that's national. Every year we have a national community service day that we call Impact Day. And we choose to work with organizations. Today we chose to spend time with you all through a partnership that we have with the B Org. Good morning.
As Melissa mentioned, I'm Ms. Tony, the founder and executive director here at the B Org. To our friends at Deloitte, all of the volunteers, all the consultants, thank you for opening up your home to us today. I'm excited, right? So the B Org, for those of you who don't know, we have new friends here. The B Org is a Baltimore-based youth development nonprofit serving over 1,500 kids a year. We're now in year 12. We focus on three things, and I like to say we do them really well, which is STEM, social and emotional learning, and college and career readiness. Our goal as an organization is just to be able to help young people like yourselves connect the dots for life after high school.